You all know that jojoba oil is good for you, right? But you probably don't know how to use it. Let's find out how to use it. The first one is about cleansing. Wash your face with oil instead of cleansing oil. This is good because you can cleanse without irritation. Second, the oil moisturizing method. After washing your face, instead of wiping away the moisture, apply jojoba oil in moderation, while the moisture remains on your face. Third, for pore care and those who want to remove blackheads or whiteheads without irritation. Fourth, if you mix a drop or two of oil with the essence or cream you normally use, it's good to keep your skin moisturized for a longer period of time. And at the final stage of basic care, put a drop or two of jojoba oil on your hand and heat it on your hand. After rubbing it in, you can gently pat it to absorb it, as if covering your face. You can get perfect moisturizing care. Fifth, lip care, so dead skin cells on the lips are especially severe in the winter. If you apply this jojoba oil generously and then wipe it away with a cotton swab, you can smoothly remove dead skin cells from your lips. It can be used as a hand and body oil that moisturizes areas such as elbows and heels where dead skin cells are present. It can be used as a moisturizing oil to cover nails with dry cuticles and make them soft and moist. You can, and if you gently spread it on the ends of your frizzy hair without causing clumps, you can prevent static electricity and keep your hair soft and shiny. And lastly, your makeup will show up more, especially in the winter. So, if you mix 1 or 2 drops of jojoba oil with BB cream or foundation and apply it, it is better because it can moisturize and adhere well without makeup.